if we were to open our mouth and really like get down and say what really happened, trust me, you guys would be so shocked.
Like really raw, what really go down, and we'll call our name and all them something night.
Yeah. Moving was the best decision that we could have ever made.
For real.
Baby, it is obvious, you know, that I'm in love with you, girl. I've been racing, I've been waiting just to see you. Baby, it is obvious, you know, that I'm in love with you, girl. I've been racing, I've been waiting just to see you.
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to
Rash Nique. Don't know the thing said.
I know it's been a while since you guys have seen us.
True.
But there's a reason for that. You know, we decided that we're gonna do a sit down video for you guys to explain where have we been and why have we been gone from YouTube so long. All right, so guys, we actually moved.
Hold on then. Let me deal with that. All right. You know this, yeah, we are putting the work, and which part we're there, we're not getting no support in our real life. Friends, family, associates, them, we're not getting no strength from them. So you know what, YouTube are them, me know what I want. How it feels to know so you are putting work and you really who it feels so that really help you out, not even share nor like, you don't know. So that kind of make it ease off. But after that now we say alright then, we're gonna leave from which part we're there and go where, baby?
We're in Florida.
Alright.
Yes,
all
so we moved, we decided that we wanted to move to Florida. What inspired that was last year. If you guys check it out, we have some vlogs on the channel where we came to Florida for my birthday, and Rash fell in love.
Trust me.
He fell in love with Florida. He's like, babe, we have to move to Florida.
No, not Florida. Come go to Florida already, up so. But when reaching at the Fort Lauderdale area, oh God, yeah, pretty like a money, all kind of different color me I see and all these things. So I say, alright then, baby, I rode and say no.
And he loved Miami too. So yeah, we that was the breaking point. It was like, oh, you know what, I think we need a change. I think we need to move. Not to say that, you know, wherever you go it's still going to be the same thing, but sometimes it does require a change, a drastic change, for things to start aligning. And we felt that our time was up in Houston. Me personally, I wasn't a big fan of Houston like that. Florida has always been a home for me. Yeah. So I was excited to move back home, and I think it would be just a better opportunity, a fresh start, you know, new people. Because like he said, there's just too much going on back in Houston when we lived there. It was just too much people fighting against us, fighting against what we're doing, not supporting what we're doing. And we just couldn't figure out why. And to be honest with you, at this point, I don't even really care why. Yeah. We just know that this move was the best thing for us.
Best, no, lie, the best thing ever.
I'm not gonna lie to you. Houston, I've lived in Atlanta, I've lived in Florida. Houston has been the worst for me, personally. Yes, we had some good times, and yes, we built, you know, ourselves up in Houston in a certain way. But as far as like the support and stuff like that, we found ourselves amongst a lot of people that were just not right for us. They were not doing the right things. The energy was off, the energy was bad, and things like that can really stunt your growth. And we just decided that we've had enough.
For real.
Yeah, we had enough.
Real raw, barber, and straightforward. Yo, I just be a bad mind people up there. Big up the one that were real up there.
Yes, the ones that
you know no self, you know.
Yep.
But hear me I say, alright, me a videographer. See? And imagine Me and everybody a friend when me I work all cool runnings and them thing there. And when me get up and say, yo, camera, laptop, whatever, buy, and start do a business, everybody a draw away. And I tell all people, no, book me and all these things. Yeah, I mean a bad mind thing that, and you know, me not say bad mind everywhere, you know, because I know comment and say, boy, that they everywhere. But the thing is, youth and dancehall, Lily so. So, you understand me I say? We not even have, you know, under that not even have 500 people that go dance up a youth stand. So, where them a deal with it, you have to hear back. And you know, and all these things. And me I say, that them man say that for real. Me just couldn't manage that no more, brother. So, long
just see that them people, they was just not for us.
Yeah, me used to go every dance, every pan and knock. Cause me used to do party up there, you know. Same thing them do. Nah get the support me either for that, see? And yeah, I mean like, me just can't deal with that, bro. Cause me no grow so.
Let me tell you what's going on. They don't want to see you doing better than them. That's just point blank and period. Right. If they see that you're on a level where you're starting to rise and do things, it's not gonna work out. It's not gonna work out. And me personally, I don't regret that I lived in Houston. I just regret the people that I was amongst.
Yeah. For
yes.
real.
Because I was amongst one set of people, they wasn't right.
The next set again.
A next set of people, they was right. But guess what? I've learned my lesson.
No more sets.
I've learned a lot. So I'm not gonna say I regret. Regret are only things you didn't learn from. And I've learned a lot. Okay? And the people in Houston are just different. I don't know what it is in the air, what it is in the environment. I don't know what it is, but that environment is very toxic. I'm sorry.
I really thought, man. Was that big college, you know, big university, you know? Because if a man live in Houston for the time where we live there and don't learn about how human being behave, them need to go back to school again. Trust me.
And he was also saying like how, you know, people were saying not to book him or whatever. It was being done to me as well. I was doing makeup. I was a makeup artist in Houston. I started doing my makeup. I built my business off the ground and built myself up. And people were not booking. People were not booking me. I was hearing things. Oh, people say, oh, don't book her. She can't do makeup. Her work is not good. She this, she's that, and all of that stuff. And I'm just like, okay. Like, what is all of that for? If everybody has to start somewhere. I don't knock a person for trying to do a business, trying to be an entrepreneur, trying to do something for themselves, trying to do something that they love. I don't knock nobody down for that. If somebody's work is not that great, okay. Just give that person their flowers and let them grow. And then you'll see where it goes. If somebody's really into what they're doing and they're serious about what they're doing, they're gonna grow. They're going to do better and they're gonna become better. But yeah, people were saying not to book me. It was just a lot going on in that community. People were lying on us, saying things about us that aren't true. It was just a lot. We are the type of couple, we stay to ourselves. We don't involve ourselves in drama. And I'm not gonna say that I'm perfect. I'm not gonna sit here and say I was perfect. I was amongst a group of girls and I noticed that that toxicity that they had, I was starting to fall into that. And I had to catch myself and I'm just like, no, Nique, come on now. That's not you. I found myself in talking about people, not talking about people, but like saying certain things about people. I found myself drawing myself away from people that did nothing to me, I had nothing to do with anything, but because I was so-called showing my loyalty, it got me mixed up in some things that I didn't need to be in. And I had to catch myself and I had to rein myself back in because I'm like, first of all, that's not you. Why are you letting other people's issues influence you into not liking somebody or moving a certain type of way or that's not me. And I had to catch myself because you will be surprised how quick you will get dragged into the mess trying to be loyal and trying to be a good friend and trying to show your loyalty and all of that stuff. It was just not for me. And I realized, like, why am I even doing this? These people that I'm trying to be loyal to is not even loyal to me. They don't even have my back. So why am I doing all this? And I had to, anyways, whoever with that situation, whoever was involved, I did own up to my part and my wrongdoing in the situation, and I apologized for it. And guess what? I'm moving on. I was forgiven and I'm moving on. But that was the only time I was ever like caught myself slowly getting into drama and that was just not for me, and I just had to pull myself away from that. But yeah, we were just around a lot of toxic people.
For real, man. Yeah, I mean,
yes, there are some good ones. We have some people that really are good to us and really support us, really show us love. Every time we step out, they show us love. Every time we post a video, they show us love. Every time we do anything on social media, they show us love.
Yeah.
You understand? We're not gonna call no names in this video. You guys know who you are, who support us.
I will not call a name who do bad thing to us either.
Yeah, we're just not gonna call no names. Yeah. But just know that we just been through it.
Yeah, man.
We've been through it, you know? And I'm not gonna lie to you, moving was the best decision that we could have ever made.
For real, for real.
I'm happier, I'm more peaceful. I feel like I'm growing. Whatever we're doing is, you know, there's positive light being shined on it.
Yeah.
We have love, we have support, real support, and all of that. And I just feel so much better. Like we just had to take ourselves out of that environment, and I don't regret it, not even for 1 second. I'm glad that we made that decision.
Imagine you have a friend, well, you call a friend and you reason with him about certain things, but other people can call you and tell you what you are telling your friend. No, we're not dealing with them people there. Can't deal with them people. You see me? So you go. We learn and move on. And like that. You see me? And big up who, as I say, who up there support we. We know no continue support we. And
trust me, we love you know.
Love you know, man.
Greatly appreciate you guys. Trust me, because it's really like very few. It's like maybe like a handful of people. Yeah. You know?
You can't count on 2 hands. Simple. The support we have in there.
Oh, and big up the Dallas people them and San Antonio people them. Them really show love and support us. Yeah. Dallas, San Antonio, yes. Yeah. They show us the love and the support, and we are so appreciative for that. Yeah, trust me.
I really thought, man. You see me? So, and that's why we need to really post nothing, because it make no sense with like post and really not go nowhere, and then you just depressed about the thing there. So we just say, we just say, babes, we not do that enough. It's when we leave, we can start. Even me stop going, me stop going dance. And me say, yo,
stop going out.
Yeah, me say, babe, if they not book me, them not see me, you know. And that's what I think they know, you know.
Let me tell y'all, if anybody supports, trust me, it's me. Am I lying?
Support them?
Yes.
Of course, now you
social media.
You always post them things and me say, babe, what you do?
Post,
that's
share.
She's still.
Because of my good heart.
Yeah.
And I'm not the person, I just want to see me win. I want to see everybody win, because guess what? There's room out there for everybody. There's money out there for everybody. There's shine out there for everybody. But let me tell you what's going on in Houston. This person want to be the top this and the top that.
It's all about a me.
Yes, and then when they see you starting to rise above that, they're like, oh, no. You can't surpass me. Hell no. We have to do something to shut them down.
Because you know the people them up there now, the me people them, and some people said so, and then, you know what I mean, we just humble so, and we not do all of that, and people recognize we and them something there, very, and them not like that. Them don't like that, because them a push up them chest, and them not get recognized, and we just sit in our corner, you know what I mean?
And let me tell you too, because we didn't speak on what we were dealing with and what we were going through, they thought, oh we shut them down. We got them in a bag. Like, no. This person told, he's like, don't say a word. Leave it alone. What's in the dark will always come to light. Leave the situation alone. Because trust me, there were days, oh, trust me, these fingers wanted to go off.
Yeah.
I wanted to pose. I wanted to go live. I wanted to make a video on YouTube. And I'm just like, you know, he's like, no, don't do all of that. It's not necessary.
Because, listen, it come from a businessman perspective, right? You see, when you start in a little Lulu and Lele with people who really would do business with you, no, I respect you again. That may I try to tell her, say. And it proven.
Yeah.
It proven, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because all who did array, everybody just leave them alone. Because you know, do business in a chaos. You do business in a calm situation. And, you know what I mean? Yeah. So, my granny always said, and everything good for talk.
And
so
trust me,
simple, I said.
If we were to open our mouth and really like get down and say what really happened, trust me, you guys would be so shocked.
And yo, if you don't want to hear it, just comment 1 year.
We'll do a story time.
Yeah, but you know, want about 100 comments before me
post a story time on what
really got
what happened.
Yeah, so once somebody can all comment all 5-6 times. Since I don't really want, if you don't really want to know what go down, but want 100 comments before that happened.
Right.
Simple.
Anyways, that was just the negative side of things.
Yeah. Yeah.
But we are here now in Florida, and we are so happy we settled in. We you know, we're getting the hang of things. You know, it's a new change, a new start, everything's new and everything. But we're getting the hang of things, and we decided, I was like, you know what, honey, we owe our subscribers and our supporters a video to let them know why we've just been not consistent lately with our channel, with posting videos and things like that. I think we owe it to you guys, especially the ones that have been with us from day one. We definitely owe it to you guys, you know what I'm saying? And so we decided to just let you guys know why. These are just some of the reasons why you know, why we moved to Florida. But I just think that overall it would be the best thing for us to with making this move.
My opinion, moving to Florida, I closest to Jamaica you can find in America.
Definitely.
So right now, me there Jamaica and a Florida, me there in Florida, me there in Jamaica, me there. Simple.
The food, the nature, beaches, social life, everything is just here in one place.
Me no both a tin coconut milk. A real coconut milk, me a deal. Real.
You guys are gonna see it in our vlogs when we cook.
Jelly, all of them things there. Yes, me I say me go out and want fish fry and all them something there, and where else you know, sun out a door, and yeah, that's a yard style.
And you know what? We were so shocked that when we came here, there are people here that already knew us.
For real. And
I was like, what? Like it threw me off, and it happened like multiple times we've gone out. They're like, wait, no.
Alright.
And they were like, wait, I know you guys. You guys are on social media, huh? You guys are on YouTube, huh?
Alright.
And we're like, yeah. And they're like, Rash Nique? And I'm like, yeah. And they're like, oh my God, I know you guys. And I'm just like, wow. So we didn't even know that we were reaching audiences out of where we were living. Outside of where we were living.
And that good boots.
Yes, very motivating.
People really are, you understand me I say?
Yeah, it's a great feeling. It was very motivating. They show us so much love. The people are smiling with us, laughing with us. We went to the place, they're like, oh, let me fix my hair. I want to get on camera with you guys. It was just so, like, the people here are so welcoming, so different. Even when we came for my birthday last year, Rush was saying, yo, the people them different, no, that's
Miami
so
different,
friendly,
brother. Everybody
nice.
I call to, you know, hello, hi, me say weird.
You like people have strangers have done little nice gestures for us, and we're like, what? We don't even know how to receive it because we're not used to that.
Yeah, let me tell you this.
It's so mind blowing. It's crazy.
I would think on the car in it, on the tire name again. The valve. The dust shine on your car and me shh. I say we have to touch the valve. No good again. I'm going to find on Google one tire shop. I'm reach at the tire shop. And I tell the man about the valve. You know man say, call the next man, example, and I say, Joe, put on that film. I say, how much? Man say, no man, everything good man. Yo, me I Me eye full of water. This never happened to me up when me come from. Everybody depend. Everybody.
It's just something as that
Say,
that
yo,
simple.
That's so simple.
Make
but
it so appreciative.
yeah. Me I say, yo, them people are different down here, so. But the next thing again, we new in our place. I remember me tell anybody out there around business and anything there, don't have a upper friend. Don't have no upper friend.
Well,
because you see true, me say me have upper friend and rare, and when me start do my business, my friend them feel say me if come do free work for them. You understand me I say? And you can ask them. Me not beg nobody for nothing. Me I did a work for my thing. So I just business down here now. Business. My friend at Orlando. Friends around here from school days.
Yeah.
From school days. Because I get to realize that I connect back with the people and for me to go to school with. Because the people and we just meet you along your journey, no nice at all. So you better go back to your roots.
Yeah.
Trust me. Because the people from your roots, you know who the dog shit or the drunker shit from them days. So you're not going to mix with that. But when on your journey, you see some people where you don't know, so you have to mix with know what go on. And that go on.
And yes, when we were leaving Houston, we didn't tell a soul. We just packed up and we just left. Because we actually felt who we were supposed to tell, we told. But I felt like nobody deserved to be in our business like that. No.
Me and the dancer, we are two somebody me tell. Only two. She tell our family them. Me just tell two. And that's it. You see me?
Yeah, but we were just pretty much just over it. Just over it. Just over it. Just over it.
For real, for real.
Like, yeah. But yeah, we're here now. And we are doing our little skits. Make sure you guys go check those out on my shorts. And check them out on Facebook. Rash Nique or Nique on Facebook. And yeah, but you'll see all the links to
everything.
To everything on our social media platforms in the description.
Yeah, RASHKAMAR Entertainment. That's where you get the dance hall. And they have RASHKAMAR Entertainment Vlogs, where you have like a dance before and after dance hall. So I call it. Yeah. And then now on Facebook, Instagram is RASHKAMAR. No, Facebook, RASHKAMAR Clark. Instagram, RASHKAMAR Entertainment. And you don't know First Nique late.
Yeah, First Lady Nique.
Yeah, I mean? Yeah. And then now, on the Facebook again, you have Rash Nique.
RASHKAMAR Entertainment, RASHKAMAR Promotion. So you guys will see all the links to everything in the description or whatever. But yeah, and we're here now. We're getting the love. We're getting the support that we need. We're able to. We have a peace of mind. We can, we have that freedom to just create. And especially me, I found myself just being very creative because I have removed all of that toxicity, all of the blockages. Everything is out of my way, so I can just create. And that's exactly what I'm going to do for you guys. For real. So.
Orlando, I remember, the makeup channel too.
Yeah, my Face Beat by Nique. I'm definitely gonna start posting on that, where I'm gonna do makeup videos, wigs, my lifestyle.
What do you call it? The big word, tutorial.
Yeah, tutorials and stuff like that. Yeah. So I'm gonna, I'll be posting on that. I'll keep you guys posted on that once I start uploading those videos on that channel. But yeah. And if you guys are looking for a videographer for any dancehall, don't forget to check out RASHKAMAR Entertainment. Send us a message. You can send a comment. You can comment below the video, wherever. We'll reach out to you and get that going. But yeah. But we are here in South Florida and we are so excited.
So excited.
We're so happy. I am so happy. And and it's just so crazy that, I don't know, it's just, I'm a different person. Like, I've changed a lot.
The oxygen, man, is a better oxygen.
Changed a lot. I'm so I'm so grateful for the experiences that I had in Houston, because it made me know how to move.
Yeah.
It made me know how to detect certain things that's not right, certain energies that ain't right. And yeah, it's so crazy, because even when I came here, I thought that things would be so much different, like with a certain person, and that has come to an end as well. And I'm completely happy about it. And people may look at me and say, oh, you know, she's all alone, she stays to herself, she da 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 da. I enjoy my I enjoy my own company. I really enjoy my own company. I don't like a lot of people in my energy. No, you can't try to build and try to do what you're doing with a lot of people, with a lot of opinions and a lot of toxicity and a lot of people in your ear, and this person saying that and this and this and that. You have to break away from that and clear your mind.
And just thing. Because guess what?
Done.
When you go to bumps and get your break, nobody can say rich and switch. You understand? You don't cut off who fi cut off already, because you know when God will bless you, you know, man. I know everybody, the blessing when God will give you, and not for you and people. And he want to give you. That's why all of them look at people that drop off and stay in the far end. Simple like that.
You know which people, especially like, oh, I'm supporting you, and you can just tell it's fake. A lot of fake love, a lot of fakeness, and all of that. Like, we just had to get out of that. And if you ask, and if anybody willing to tell the truth, what in the Houston community, they will tell you that what we're saying is not a lie. It's not a lie. We're telling the God honest truth.
Yeah, man. I guess what? I know enough people in Houston are coming from it and say, yes, that's true.
Yeah, I know people can say, oh, them this and them that. We don't care.
We don't care.
We don't care. We don't care.
For real, for real. I care below 0. Real talk. You don't know the thing said.
Yeah, we don't care. We don't care anymore.
We're not business anymore, man.
Because we sat there, that people do and 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 do.
I hate this, man. I hate done. Who want talk? You talk till them blue, man. Everything good, man. Simple.
We honestly do not care about anyone's opinions.
Right. We just do.
We're doing what we're doing. And God, we will attract the people that support and love us genuinely. And that's exactly what we want. We don't need the fake love. We don't need the fake support.
Yeah, because anyhow somebody do something for you, and then I say, remember me do this, remember me do never do it from heart. Remember me telling that any man or woman I say, yo, remember me do this for you, remember me do this. Him not do it from your heart. He must, since I come and some man I said to me, say, yo, remember when you used to rare. And I say, what? Me never remember because I do it from my heart. And the man I say, yeah, man, you used to do this and this for me. Me never remember. Me do it from my heart.
The love and the support that I gave, I did not receive. But it's okay, it's fine.
No, you don't receive it from them. But you have to receive it from people gotta send it.
Absolutely.
Alright.
Absolutely.
Yeah, man.
Absolutely. I don't even let it bother me, because at the end of the day, I want genuine supporters, real supporters. So I don't even let that bother me. I'm just like, okay, you weren't one of those. You know, you weren't one of the real ones. You weren't one of the ones that was gonna show real love. And it's okay, it's fine, because guess what, at the end of the day, no one is obligated. You get what I'm saying? But like I said, we want to attract genuine real supporters.
You know, so I say, because you don't know, you know, the Rash Nation, them out there, you know. Yeah, Rash Nation outside there. Them coming, know what you say? We are looking again prank or say. Again,
a prank for prank.
I don't know business.
A prank for prank. Yeah, I can prank you too.
Yeah, alright. Me a defend when me a defend, you can't tell.
I defend when me a defend,
right.
So like that.
So as me I say, you know what to say? Because what me can say, you know, remember me want the 100 comment if you don't want.
That's the only thing I have left to say.
Alright then.
Is that you know, if they want the story time, we can do the story time.
Yeah, but we want 100 comment before we want to get the story time. Like really raw or really go down, and we'll call our name and all them something night.
Yeah.
So if you don't want it, 100 comment. One somebody can comment all 5-6 times. But you don't know the things yet.
And thank you so much to the ones that have been subscribed and stayed subscribed and has been supporting on social media as well. We greatly appreciate you guys. And yeah, so all of the South Florida content creators, link up.
You don't know the things yet. And we have one drive to go link up on a big boss, but we not even call no name yet until when it happen, you know, so we say, oh, him with that.
Yeah, because I'm a clothing.
I know clothing. I'm a real general.
Yeah.
Him thing up there, but we not call him name. Yeah.
When the time is right.
We link up.
Alright.
Him no need shout out.
He don't.
Him think tough. Don't know the things yet. You know what I mean? So you go. Remember the Rash Nation.
And?
I don't know.
The Nation! The Nation, but big up on yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below if you guys want story time on what we went through and why, what pushed us to move away from Houston. So I guess that's it, really. Do you have anything else to say?
For now.
For now? Okay.
I have another thing, but them have to put them.
Oh, okay.
Them have to give it
that's for the story time.
Yeah, they have to give it 100 comment.
Okay.
As I say, somebody can comment.
Comments.
Yeah, 100 comment. Yeah.
Alright, big up on yourself. Thank you guys so much for the love and support, and I will see you next time. Bye.